Chapter 40. Veganism. With the planet once again under humans' control, we quickly forget how hard we had to fight to achieve this and begin neglecting our duty to preserve it, thus forming a habit of over-consuming natural resources just because it seems we can always grow more later. In 2233, this mindset encounters a rude awakening when a group of explorers return to the Dome City. The area that used to be the only home of humans when venturing outside the dome was still not possible, carrying a highly contagious virus that contemporary medical science cannot yet treat after a failed mission. The virus was contracted while they were attempting to capture a mutated crocodile near the River Nile for genetic research purposes, but failed as most of the crew were attacked and eaten by it. While the virus is harmless to humans, it proves to be lethal against cattle, wiping out all our livestock within less than a month and leaving us with no meat, which effectively makes everyone vegan against their will. Thanks to advanced farming, irrigation, and crop production technologies, we have more than enough vegetables, grains, and fruits to avoid starvation. Plus, it is something many would say makes the world more ethical and ecologically friendly as we no longer have to slaughter animals for food. Sadly, being ethical to livestock turns into being cruel to fellow human beings, as after over a year of going fully vegan, humans start to die out, from a rate of tens a week at first to already 500 by the spring of 2234, seemingly without an explanation because of the drastically different ways in which they die, from developing deadly diseases to committing suicide. Upon further inspections, doctors discover that the prolonged vegan diet has been a culprit as it fails to supply the human body with enough vitamin B12 to function, and the extension of this deficiency causes chronic anemia and depression at scale, the main causes of death that they are wrestling with. Seeing veganism as our potential harbinger of doom, the central government of Dome City declares in mid-2234 that this diet is public enemy number one, and urges those who are still healthy to help get rid of it by any means necessary. At the same time, a group of food researchers band together to study cloning technologies and develop an artificial meat production system that can manufacture a large amount of raw, natural, and edible meat for human consumption simply by cloning live animals, and all it takes is to hunt a few deer or rabbits to get it running. Thanks to this groundbreaking cloning technology, the world not only officially ends the vegan madness in late 2234, but also begins a new chapter of human technological advancement, where both crops and meat can be efficiently manufactured, forever making hunger a thing of the past.